Hello, and welcome to the Locational Search tutorial video. To start, click on the Locational Search button in the upper left-hand corner to bring up the search window. First, make sure that Drawn Graphic is selected from the drop-down menu. Next, zoom in to your area of interest. In this tutorial, we'll be looking at Wyoming. Next, select one of the three drawing tools. We'll start with Draw a Point, where you can hover the mouse and click to drop a point. To clear your drawing, either hit the Eraser tool or the Reset button. Next is the Draw a Rectangle, where you click and drag the mouse and then let go to finish your drawing. The next tool is our Circle tool. Start over a central point, click and drag to either increase or decrease the size of your circle. When you're finished with your drawing, hit Apply. So now we can see that we have quite a few areas selected. When you click on a location, it will filter the drawn area on the map. To look at your results for that area, click on the button down here at the bottom to bring up the data table. As you can see here, we have Carbon County selected, and it filtered the data table results to only show Carbon County. To export results, simply select your desired data records and click the four circles under the Actions button and select Export Selected. Here you can either export to a JSON file or CSV. To clear your selected results, hit the trash can. So now we're going to select 3 results from Carbon County and then change our area of interest on our search results and select 3 records from Fremont County. Next, we'll click this button that says Show Selection. And here we can see we have our 3 Fremont County records selected and our 3 Carbon County records selected. And again, you can do Export Selected and it will export all 6. Before clearing your results from the search window, make sure to deselect any areas and the whole US should pop up again. This will also return the data table to its original form, which includes the entire data set. To export the entire data set, make sure that you have nothing selected and then hit Export All. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Thanks for watching.